Happy Multichrome Monday. Today I'm going to be talking about the holiday launch from Terra Moons. Now these shadows did come out at the end of 2022 and there were 3 matte shadows and the rest were shimmer shadows, and I'm very excited to show you these because there's definitely some really unique shades. As you know, Terra Moons is known for creating unique multichrome shadows. So let's get right into the 3 looks, and then at the end of the video I'll give you some of my thoughts. My favorite shades from the collection are definitely Prism Skies, Alpi, and as well as Zenith. I just feel like these 3 shadows are just really, really beautiful, definitely on the unique side. And especially love Oppie because that one is on the sheer side, so you can really layer it over different colorful mattes and get a totally different shadow. Also love Bellatrix, which is up here, super, super shiny. It's very sparkly. Now, some of these have the Terra Moons slightly flakier formula, such as Oppie, Bellatrix, and Zenith, and I think you can see that in the swatches and even in the pans, especially compared to these 2 shadows, which are their more regular shimmer formula, which is super, super smooth. As for the mattes, I've mentioned this before, the Terra Moons matte formula is not my absolute favorite. They are very, very powdery, which I usually don't mind, but these are very, very powdery and they have quite a bit of kick up in the pan, and I just personally prefer other matte formulas to this one, but that doesn't mean that these are bad by any means. I do feel like it's a little bit random to launch like these 3 matte shadows with a bunch of shimmer shadows. It doesn't really feel like it's cohesive. I understand they're probably just adding on their matte shadow variety. I would love to hear your thoughts on this collection. Did you pick anything up? Which shade or shades are your favorite? And that's everything for this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you next time.